If your Joy-Con lights up but the Nintendo Switch doesn't register it when attached, it's actually due to dirty or damaged rail connectors, sync glitches, or firmware issues. Here's how to fix it step by step. Let's get into it. Solution 1. Restart and power cycle your Joy-Con. Hold down the power button on top of your Switch for about 15 seconds to force it off. Wait a few seconds, then press the power button again for 3 seconds to turn it back on. Now detach both of your Joy-Cons by pressing the release button on the back and sliding it upward. On the inner edge of the Joy-Con, find the small round sync button in the middle. Press it once to turn off the Joy-Con, then hold it down for 5 seconds to power cycle it. Now slide it back into the console firmly until you hear the click. If it's still not detected, detach the Joy-Con and reattach it several times. Solution 2. Update controllers and Switch. Go to System Settings. Scroll down to System. Now select System Update. Make sure your Switch is on the latest firmware. Then go back to Controllers and Sensors and select Update Controllers. This will install any available firmware updates for your Joy-Cons, which often fixes syncing problems. Solution 3. Clean and inspect rail connectors. Detach the Joy-Con, look into the rail connectors of both your Joy-Con and Switch. Use a soft brush, compressed air, or Q-tip dipped in isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the metal contacts on both the Joy-Cons and the console rails. After you're sure you've cleaned the rail connectors, reattach the Joy-Con and test again. Hopefully this time your Joy-Con will be detected, but if unfortunately none of these methods work, it's likely a hardware issue with the Joy-Con or console rails. Avoid further DIY damage. Send it in for professional repair or replacement. They'll be able to help you out after this. Anyways, I'll be taking my leave now. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.